Alright, let's take a look at adding and subtracting decimals. When we're adding and subtracting decimals, we want to make sure that we have the decimals lined up. So here, let's rewrite this. We're going to have 2.86 plus 7.09. And we add. So we have 6 plus 9 is 15. So that's 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 plus 0 is 9. And then we bring down the decimal. And then 2 plus 7 is 9. So there's our answer. Let's look at this one. We have 6.54 plus 9.8. And the important thing, remember, is make sure the decimals are lined up. And we're adding. So we can add a 0 here. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 8 is 13. So that's 3. Carry your 1. And that's 9 plus 6 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. So that's 16. And we bring our decimal down. And there's our answer. Now, let's take a look at subtracting decimals. So let's rewrite this with the decimals lined up. So we have 5.816 minus 4.98. And we'll put a 0 there. So we have 6 minus 0 is 6. Okay, that's a 1, so we need to borrow. That's going to be 7. And that's going to be an 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3. And then this is 7. So we have to borrow from the 5. So that's going to make that 17 minus 9 is 8. And bring down the decimal. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So you can leave it like this, or you can put a 0. Alright, so here we have 1 minus 0.325. So we have 1, and remember the decimal here is to the right of the 1. And then 0.325, so we put our decimal, and 325. Now for the 1, we can add zeros behind the decimal, and it doesn't change the value. So now we need to borrow. So here we're gonna, and that's gonna be 10, and then we need to borrow here, so that's gonna be 9 and 10, and then we need to borrow for this, so we have 9 and 10. So now we can subtract. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, and bring down the decimal. And we can put a 0 here in front of the decimal. That's a 0 there because we borrowed from the 1. So 0 minus 0 is 0, so we can leave it as 0.675, or we can put the 0 in front, 0.675. And that's it.